This paper is not as technical as some of the more recent reading groups, but it talks about questions that I'm sure we're all familiar with. Is AI going to replace our jobs? I don't think you can really scroll on LinkedIn for more than 2 seconds without seeing someone talking about how AI is reshaping how we do X task or replace Y process. Just these conversations have really spiraled since November 2022. So what's great about this paper is that it built a framework for measuring the economic impacts using actual Claude usage data. And so it gives us kind of a snapshot of how AI is starting to shape the workforce, as they say, and it might help us see where growth in certain skills in AI usage might happen in the future. It'd also be really interesting if other generative AI companies started sharing this type of data as well, then we can do even more forecasting about with actual data where demand for jobs and industries and wages might start to change because of AI. So it's a big topic, but what's interesting is that they actually provided some measurement of it using Claude Conversations. So I pulled this just directly from the paper. This is their cited contributions here. The main one being the usage based measurement. And in the intro, they also mention about how much of AI usage research so far has been from surveys, so that this is a novel contribution to this measurement or economic measurement of AI. And the other stuff I'm going to just breeze through. There's a visualization component for each of these which it does a better job at sharing the main takeaway from this. And to get things started, so how are they accomplishing this big empirical measurement? So they built a framework for mapping the 4 million conversations from Claude to occupational categories in the ONET database, which is from the US Department of Labor. And they use that to surface usage patterns